Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to switch out a 3-prong cord on a dryer or range over to a 4-prong. This is the 4-way. The wall has a 4-way, so I have to switch it over. This one will be my new one, and it's going to go on here. So just real quick, y'all see mine has a jumper. This is a ground. Your green wire goes on your ground. Since we have the white jumping over, we can just put these two right here together on here. Because if you didn't have this piece here, what you would do is just put white on white and green right there. This just it's basically another ground wire. Your red is color coded, it goes up here on top, and your black goes down here on black. You can see the black wire right there. If you don't have this strip, what you do is just put your green on your machine and put your white on your center. Your center is your neutral. And take a look at this so y'all can see. It's hard to do this with one hand. Man, it comes off. That's exposing. And here's my white wire. So what I'll do is disconnect all of these, move them out of here, run these through here. My white will be there, then this, then my green. All be connected right here. It's a safety measure. It's just an extra ground. Red to red, black to black, and white with green, or white can go on right here. Right there. Alright guys, hope I made it simple enough on you.